Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a honey ham recipe, y'all. This one is going to be topped with a buttery sweet honey glaze that we are going to easily whip up in a matter of minutes, and it's fit for all occasions, including the one coming up. So let's get started. I'll get started by placing my ham on a roasting pan, but you can also use a sheet pan, and I'm just going to cover the ham with foil. And I'm using about a 10-pound spiral sliced ham, so when you pick out your ham at the store, make sure you get one that does not already include the glaze because we're making our own. So we're just going to bake the ham in the oven at 325 degrees for about an hour and 30 minutes. Then about 10 minutes before I pull my ham out of the oven, I make the glaze. And when I tell you, this glaze is not only delicious, it is so easy. So to make the glaze, I'll melt butter in my saucepan. Then I'll add honey, brown sugar, pineapple juice, Dijon mustard, and my seasonings. So I'll whisk the ingredients to combine. Then I'm going to allow this to simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes, whisking constantly until the glaze has thickened. Then once you see that the glaze is all bubbling up and thickened, you know it's ready to glaze the ham with. And I'll also add that you can make this glaze up to 2 days early if you choose to, or if you want to do like a make ahead recipe. Once the glaze is done, I remove the ham from the oven and I baste it with a glaze. I also increase the oven temperature to 400 degrees and I place the ham back in the oven for another 5 to 7 minutes, basting the ham continuously. This ham recipe is so easy. I just love the buttery sweet glaze on this ham. It's definitely one of my favorite holiday eats and it's perfect for all occasions. Well guys, that is going to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for joining me for another delicious recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you later.